Today I have something that's kind of interesting. It is a handle replacement or a handle addition to what is normally on a 5-gallon bucket. So either your 5-gallon bucket comes with just the handle like this, or it's got this little teeny tiny handle. What I do is I just move it off to the side, and then you can take this and put it over top like that. Basically you come with two pieces, and you can see here that they are offset, so these two are over there, and you just basically put it together and squeeze to put them together. And if you need to, you can use a pair of pliers or squeeze it to really get it together, but you get this nice big handle to be able to grip a hold of. And it's not too big that you're doing it like this, but it's a nice handle to be able to grab hold of. And this is a lot more ergonomic than the tiny one, and your hand won't get as tired. So it's a very simple solution for a problem that a lot of people don't understand that there is. And a lot of people just use this and they're just like, oh, it's hard to hold on to when it becomes an issue, and they don't really understand. But this is a really simple way to make this a lot easier to hold. You can hold it for a lot longer. So anyways, if you have a lot of buckets and you have to carry a lot of stuff, especially if it's heavy like water or cement or something like this, this will definitely save your hands and be able to allow you to carry it for a longer distance. And it works a lot better even if you have gloves on, because then you even have that extra protection and it'll give you a longer life to be able to hold it. So check it out. It's a simple solution for a problem that you need to fix.